Hey guys, it's me again. So this video is part 2 of the starter kit of things that I use in terms of making t-shirts and crafting. So diving right on in, one of the items that I adore are these cellophane bags. So I use these for t-shirts. As you can see, there's a peelable slip that's right there and it's sticky. So you can put the item in the bag and then close it up by peeling that back. They definitely come in a lot of different sizes and shapes. So yeah, the link to that can be found down below along with all of the other items that I'm showing you. Now, if you are mailing items, these come in handy. So they're very similar to the other bags, except this is more durable. So as you can see, there's the peelable sticky tape thing that's right there. These are a decent size. I typically get like a one size fits all, and if I need to fold it over or make the bag smaller, I can do that. So again, typically I put things in the clear bag and then also put the clear bag into the solid bag for shipping items. In terms of printing off labels, I use this Rollo machine, and this is a lifesaver, guys. So this is the model that I have. There's lots of different options, but this is the one that I use that works for me. So with this, there's two ports back here. One plugs into the wall, the other plugs into your laptop device, and then there's an on and off switch. So how this works is you'll turn it on, and then I have these sheets that I feed into the printer. So it goes in through one side, comes out through the other. Now this is a thermal printer, so there's nowhere that takes ink, anything like that, okay? After it prints out, I peel it back, and then I attach the label to the shipping package. And it's fairly easy. It's really easy to use, really easy to install. So I definitely recommend that if you are shipping items. Next up, I do have business cards. So I created these on Canva and also had them printed on Canva. And I have this scan me icon on the back. If you would like to learn how to create these, definitely comment below. I also attach thank you cards for all of my orders as well. So I take the business card, the thank you card, and then I have these clear mesh bags that I put them in. So there's lots of different sizes, colors, everything. So I put it in this bag, and then I put it in the shipping bag. Just, you know, a cute little nice thank you, order again type of deal. Yeah, so again, the link to these can also be found down below. I also have black ones. It just depends on what I'm mailing and what the vibe is. Depends on the color that I use. I also have these bigger ones. So sometimes I might attach like a bracelet or some stickers or something, and that's when I'll use the bigger bags. If you haven't already, please check out part 1 of this video. The link can be found down below. And also remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and also comment down below anything else that you would like to see. Alrighty, next up is a scale. This is very important if you are shipping items. So I usually pre-purchase my shipping labels either through UPS or the post office. So with this, it can accurately depict the price of the shipping label, so then it's as accurate as possible. Another thing that I really like, and these just make your items just seem a little bit more professional. So I have these sizing stickers. And so I have them from size small up to 3X, I believe. Not all of them are here in this picture, but I usually just peel the sticker off and put it directly on the item. If you have a lot of things that you are shipping, or you know, that are in one order, it is nice to kind of separate them by size, and so the sticker is visible so you know what's what. this is all that I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment down below of anything else that you guys would like to see. And also remember to check out part 1 for more. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.